Hello and welcome to the College Investor Audio Show. We're so happy that you're here with us today as we take a look at the best budgeting apps for 2026. Just in case that was one of your resolutions to set up a budget, we're going to help you out today. And these apps are both free and paid. So if you're ready to start kind of using the best budgeting app and to tackle your finances and track your net worth, that is what we're doing today and comparing kind of the best ones. If you want to dive deeper into any topic we talk about on the podcast, just check us out at thecollegeinvestor.com, thecollegeinvestor.com, and type in those words on social media. You'll probably find us there too. We'd love to connect with you. All right, so let's do this. Organizing your financial life is the first step to growing your wealth and, of course, your financial freedom. And technology can help you move in the right direction, specifically using budgeting apps and money tracking apps. But with the sheer number of apps mushrooming every single day, it can kind of be tough to know which one to use. So after testing and using all kinds of apps, we've got a comprehensive view of what budgeting apps are worth downloading and which you can go ahead and ignore. Plus, it's important to think about what you need for a budgeting app or spending tracker too. If you need something that's like hardcore budgeting or investment tracking, maybe you're looking to just increase your credit score, every budgeting app focuses on a specific niche, and we break down the best budgeting apps we've found and why you should consider using them. I'm going to go through 6 of them today with you, and first up, let's take a look at Empower. Empower is actually a free one. It used to be Personal Capital. Maybe you used that before. It's one of the original asset allocation, portfolio management, net worth tracking apps that there are. Users can also use the app to track income and expenses. They are also the last major free budgeting app since Mint shut down. Still kind of mourning that loss. If you're looking for a free tool to track your spending and monitor your net worth, Empower is the only real choice here. Its strength is in the ability to track investments better than most budgeting apps. One word of caution, though. Empower is a financial advisory firm, and the firm is going to call you to ask you to purchase advisory services. But in exchange for that, it's also one of the only free budgeting tools that made our list. And we have a full review of Empower and all of the things we talk about today, by the way, at thecollegeinvestor.com inside this article. All right, number 2, let's talk about Monarch Money. They've been building an amazing budgeting and net worth tracking app that combines all of the features we love: transaction categorization, net worth tracking, investment monitoring, and such. And unlike some of the other places and apps that connect and update your accounts automatically, Monarch actually works. We rarely see connectivity issues or problems at all because they use 3 different providers to link accounts. It's a paid thing, though. You're going to be paying like $15 a month or $100 annually. And right now you can get 50% off your first year with the promo code MONARCHVIP. MONARCHVIP. You can read our full Monarch review at thecollegeinvestor.com. And number 3, I like this one, YNAB, which is short for You Need a Budget. YNAB is one of the premier budgeting software services. It allows users to set a budget based on their income and then adjust categories throughout the month when the unexpected happens. If you earn a decent income, but you're still living paycheck to paycheck, YNAB is going to help you master your cash flow, start saving, and break that cycle. It's by far the best budgeting-specific app that we've ever seen. A word of caution: YNAB relies on zero-based budgeting. This isn't spending tracking. This is actual budgeting that makes you allocate your money. It does take a little getting used to if you're not familiar with the system. The cost for YNAB is, again, $15 a month, or it's $109 annually. But if you're a college student, you can currently get a year of YNAB for free. All you got to do is provide your student ID or some other proof of college studenthood. You can read our full review of them, again, at thecollegeinvestor.com. I'm going to be saying that quite a bit. Number 4, Copilot. Copilot, not to be confused with the Microsoft AI thing, is one of the newer apps on our list, but they have been developing a great budgeting app and financial tracking app. It offers great connectivity, A lot of amazing visualizations, and it's one of the few apps that actually supports cryptocurrency. The one drawback, though, is that it's only available for Mac and iPhone, which honestly is pretty rare as most apps favor PC. But we do hope to see an Android version soon. Copilot is a paid app. You can get 60 days free with promo code COLLEGE. Then it's going to cost you $13 a month or $95 per year. We got a full review there too. Number 5, Tiller Money. It's an app that feeds financial transactions and balance statements to an Excel spreadsheet or a Google Sheet. As far as apps go, it really couldn't be simpler. The downside is that you need to be a bit of a spreadsheet expert to find the app easy to use. And I'm not, so I'm going to skip this one. But if you are, you're going to love this one. It is a top app for people who need flexibility in their apps. You can use it for traditional budgeting, financial tracking, or to build cash flow and profit and loss statements for your business. Tiller is $79 per year after a 30-day trial. Number 6, Kubera. Kubera has become one of my personal favorite money apps. Its focus is slightly different than most on this list. It's a net worth tracker. It doesn't do any budgeting, but I had to include it in this list because there really comes a time when you graduate from budgeting to simply tracking your net worth, and Kubera really should be your tool of choice. It's great because it connects to just about everything you have, including cryptocurrency. You can add entries for private investments, real estate, a whole lot more. And they recently even added a ton of DeFi and NFT support as well. Kubera does charge $200 a year after a $1 14-day free trial. Did you get that? That makes no sense. If it's $1, it's not free. But it's a 14-day trial. I don't know. Anyway, you can read our full Kubera review at thecollegeinvestor.com. And here are just a quick snapshot of some other money apps too, because beyond budgeting, there are some handy financial tools that you might want to consider, including apps to help you find and cut subscriptions, track your credit, and a whole lot more. You've probably seen the commercials. Rocket Money, a subscription canceling app. And it even does bill negotiation and all that stuff, along with a full service financial dashboard. It's going to help you and notify you if you're paying subscription fees and can even try to help you cancel them. Yeah, they do offer more than subscription canceling, but to us, this is kind of their bread and butter. If you're someone who struggles to stay on top of your costs, especially cable and phone bills, Rocket Money can help you save a ton. I have so many iPhone charges, Apple services charge. I have no idea what's that one? This is going to help you. Plus, Rocket Money has been building out more and more budgeting and spending tracking capabilities as well. Just keeps getting better. It's got a free version, but to access tools like subscription canceling, you're going to have to upgrade to one of their paid plans, which makes the commercial a little bit misleading. It seems like everything's free, but it's not. You can read our full Rocket Money review at thecollegeinvestor.com. Another one is Cash Advance Dave. Dave is a low-cost membership banking platform that allows for cash advances, cashback debit, and a whole bunch more. You can get up to $500 with extra cash. Dave has a $1 a month membership fee. If you want the cash advance to be delivered within 8 hours, you're going to have to pay an express fee based on your advance amount. Credit score monitoring? Of course, you knew this was coming. Credit Karma, the financial marketplace. It compares loans, credit cards, a whole lot more. It seems committed to giving its customers the ultimate in great money experiences, really. Gives you a free credit score. It even monitors your credit for you, and a whole lot more. Plus, they even announced a high-yield savings account that should be extremely competitive. Here are some final thoughts, and then we'll wrap up for today. Basically, you know what? The best tool is the one you use, not my opinion. So there is always a right tool for the job. With all of these apps, they won't help you unless you enjoy using it. So go ahead, try out a few, see if it works for your style, and hopefully it helps you make positive improvements in your financial life. That is our show for today. I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, and you know that this could probably be helpful to somebody else, go ahead and share this podcast. We'd so greatly appreciate it. Also hit the subscribe button and like us and follow us and all the things at The College Investor. Just search for those words and you'll find us on social media, or check us out at thecollegeinvestor.com. Thanks again for stopping by today, and we'll talk to you again real soon.